Today, we're going to create a realistic looking mosquito. We'll start off by grabbing some Ultra Thread 140. Here I'm using red. We'll attach our thread to our hook shank and lay down a thread base that we'll use in our next step. Cut the excess thread free. We will now wrap back on our thread base, building up a large thread dam. Once complete, we can whip finish and snip the excess free. Grab some UV resin and paint this over our thread dam. This is going to emphasize the red color and give it a nice bulbous shape. Once happy, we can fix in place with a UV light and select some black thread. Here I'm using a Vivis in size 16/0. Reattach our thread to the hook shank just in front of the buildup of thread we just created. Secure tightly and snap the excess free. We will then grab some gray UV dubbing, creating a dubbing noodle and wrapping a small section just in front of our thread dam. Next, we can grab a grizzly rooster cape. We'll select 2 feathers and put them into a V position. We will tie this just in front of the small section of dubbing we just created. Secure it tightly and snip the excess free. Trim up any feathers you don't like and grab some small copper wire. Secure the brass wire to the side of our mosquito, snip the excess free, and do the same to the other side. We will add one more section of brass wire to the front. This will create a total of 6 legs. We will then grab more dubbing, create a dubbing noodle, and fill in our body, taking care not to trap our brass wire in the process. We just hit 50,000 subscribers. I wanted to thank you all for the support and growing this channel so quickly. And as a thank you, I will be giving this fly away along with one of my Mainly Outdoors fly boxes. All you have to do to enter is hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below #flies for your chance to win. Once we finish dubbing, we're going to add a set of eyes. Here I've used a small piece of yellow mono, burning it on either side to create an eye that looks much like an insect. Secure this eye tightly to the back of our fly and add a bit more dubbing to fill it in. Once complete, we can grab our whip finisher, secure our thread, and snip it free. We will then move on to the legs. To get the proper shape, we will use a pair of tweezers, crimping the legs to look like mosquitoes. Continuing this process until we have finished all 6 legs. This fly will catch fish, but is not going to be very durable, and therefore this is more of an art project than something used to catch fish. But I wanted to do something special for our 50,000 subscriber giveaway, and I hope whoever wins gets to enjoy it. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.